Today, I will show you how to create an eye blinking effect in Premiere Pro. Go to your effects panel and search for the crop effect. Apply this effect to your clip. Move your timeline playhead to where you want the blinking effect to begin. In the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch icons next to both the top and bottom crop properties. Then move your timeline slider forward 3 frames. Adjust both the top and bottom crop values to 50%. Set the edge feather value to 100. Now move your timeline slider ahead another 3 frames. Reset both the top and bottom crop values back to 0. To repeat this blinking effect, simply select all your keyframes, copy them, and paste them to any other point in your timeline where you want the blink to occur.